Identifying significant results with the range rule of thumb. Range rule of thumb for identifying significant values. Now this is just a reminder of what we've done in the past here, but significantly low values are taking the population mean minus 2 standard deviations or lower. So 2 times the standard deviation. So significantly low values you can see are below that number. Significantly high values are the population mean plus 2 times the standard deviation, which is above, which is higher, therefore it's significantly high values. And values that are not significant are the values that are in between those. So, caution, know that the use of the number 2 in the range rule of thumb is somewhat arbitrary, and in this guideline, not an absolutely rigid rule. Now, identifying significant results with the range rule of thumb. Now, we found that for 2 births, the mean number of females is 1.0 female, and the standard deviation is 0.7 female. We're going to use those results and the range rule of thumb to determine whether 2 females in 2 births is a significantly high number. So, using the range rule of thumb, the outcome of 2 females is significantly high if it is going to be greater than or equal to the population mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. So what do we know? We know that the mean is 1.0 female, and we know that the standard deviation is 0.7 female. So we're going to plug that value into the following. We have the mean, which is 1, and then plus 2 times 0.7. Well, if we do that here on our calculator, we have 1 plus 2 times 0.7. Then we see that gives us 2.4. That gives us 2.4 females. Significantly high numbers of females are 2.4 and above. So the interpretation is, based on these results, we conclude that 2 females is not a significantly high number of females because 2 is not greater than or equal to 2.4. Now again, if you come up here, we know that the mean is what? The mean is 1, change that back. The mean is 1.0, and we saw that this value is 2.4, and the value that's in question is 2 females. And so we can see that 2 females is going to be values that are not significant.